Hey guys, welcome to Wig Making 101. My name is Nakia. I'm also known as BeautyCutright. I have two channels, one on beauty, fashion, and the other one is on fitness. And I started off my beauty channel originally with my natural hair and making wigs. And the funny thing is, the first video I actually started off with was making wigs using a hot glue gun. Well, things have very much changed in my life. I started making wigs for companies, I started making wigs for a lot of clients, and the story goes on. So this video is actually about me giving you an idea about how wigmaking101.com works. Everything is downloadable. All of the videos are there. All of the live videos are there. And even the scheduled ones that will be coming up are there. Everything you can watch on your cell phone, your iPad, your computer, everything is mobile. So you have access to it until the end of the year, if not longer. There's one more module that is going to be coming up in November, and that's on styling wigs. For any texture that we have and any style or cut, we'll be doing that. We'll also be learning coloring techniques, how to tint lace, how to dye the hair, the wigs, and a lot more when it comes to the business of wig making. So just kind of giving you guys an idea of what to expect. You are able to enroll right now. Only have two options. You either pay monthly for 4 months or you just pay the full tuition of $275. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Links will be down below for you to find out more. You can also, just kind of giving you right now, probably in this moment, I'm giving you a snapshot as to what does the login space looks like, so that you can see that all of the videos are there, even the live ones are there. There will be more live videos coming up the end of this September, because I'm still working on module 4, which is the lace units. So we're still working on learning how to make lace closures and then how to make the actual lace cap, and all of that is going to be done the end of September and most of October. So in November, that will be the new program that will be coming up, which is on styling and dealing with lace units and things like that. And yeah, enjoy. Just look through the website. All of the information is there. I just wanted to let you guys know, because a lot of people have been asking, how do I enroll? When does the class start? Well, it's already started and it's ongoing. It's ongoing. All you have to do is decide whether you want to do a monthly plan or whether you want to do the full tuition for it, and then just enjoy learning. Other than that, guys, I'll see you probably in class. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to wigmaking101.com. That way you'll get all of the information you need as far as classes, upcoming workshops. One of the workshops that is very popular right now that is already available to you is the wig making using your sewing machine. If you're interested in that, go and check it out. See you guys in the next one.